Welcome to MarineMax Pensacola. Today we're going to do a walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. The hull color of this boat is light blue and it is powered by Mercury 115 4-stroke command thrust. Here on the transom you'll see port and starboard transom seats, and they also have removable backrest. This boat does come with a in-floor 25-gallon fuel tank. Here at the helm you got a flip-flop if you like to stand up and drive. This boat has a live well underneath. The new console here allows you to flush mount your GPS and fish finder. As we come forward, you'll see the boat has a full-length fish box and a separate anchor locker, and also your trolling motor panel is already in place for your trolling motor. This concludes the walkthrough of the 2019 Boston Whaler 170 Montauk. Come see us at MarineMax Pensacola.